say the things we wanna hear, but when the people cry, they pretend they cannot hear. Promises they made, they vanished in the air. We're still waiting for justice, but they don't really care. Mamas crying, papas trying, children wonder why they're lying. Freedom's calling, systems falling, still the leaders keep on stalling. Voices of the people rising every day. We're tired of corruption, tired of the games they play. No more silence, hear what we say. Power to the people, let the truth lead the way. The rich get richer while the poor stay on the ground. They live behind their fences while we struggle in the town. They divide us with their colors, they divide us with their lies, but we're stronger